how to find profile and tagging settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile and tagging settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just go down until you find profile and tagging. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage profile and tagging settings on Facebook mobile, and just manage anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's how to find profile and tagging settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.